This is a HolidayCoro AlphaPix 16 in large enclosure. Now, this enclosure is the HC2500 enclosure, and this enclosure has a larger space and it has a flat top allowing you to put stickers. You can still mount it using the pads on the back or a clamp. Now, this larger enclosure does allow us to have multiple power supplies. In this particular configuration, you can see that we have two 12-volt power supplies, but it can be purchased in any configuration, including 5, 12, or combinations of 5 and 12. Now, this enclosure also has the pre-attached waterproof Cat 5 input connection here. All the cables are fully strain relieved. Those pigtails are our EasyPlug3 pigtails. These plug into all HolidayCoro pixels with no soldering. Each of the outputs is labeled as to voltage and the individual port number. Now, this unit can become watertight by simply just attaching it using the included clamps on the side. This is the AlphaPix 16 in a large enclosure.